Hello, hello, hello. What's good, everybody? Hello, hello, hello. 3 to the 1 for the 1 to the 3. I woke up this morning and chose DOD. What's good, everybody? What's up? What's happening? What's up? What's up? What is happening? It's time to get to the money today. Let's go on here on this other live as well. All right. Good morning, everybody. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Ian? What's up, Eric? Jeff? Correct call. Let's go, bro. What is going on? What's up, Jackie? Good morning, everybody. Early bird gets the worm. Early bird gets the worm. And we are an early bird today. And we will be getting the worm. We will be securing our daily worm. Share. What's up? What's up, Rez? What's up, Quentin? AJ, Donald. Good morning, everybody. Top of the day. Top of the day. What's up, Jalapeno? Always in the community first. Always. You guys sound like that. Talking about getting the worm. Hey, these worms get me excited, man. Feeling a little squirmy and wormy. A little squirmy to get y'all. No, there's nothing that rhymes with that. That has to do with getting y'all paid. What's up, Prami? Good morning, bro. Good morning. On a little earlier today. I've been trying to get on a little earlier each day. Give people a chance to join up, come tap in. No trades yet for me. Granted that I started the live stream 3 minutes ago, and it is 8:49 Eastern time, 6:49 here in Colorado. Yeah, no trades for me yet. Some of y'all have already probably taken 3 trades, and it shows. Y'all choose DOD, but you choose dopamine over discipline. Which can seem exciting and can seem advantageous. But over time, you will get cooked doing it. You just will. Took one that was a winner all bright and early. Okay. You followed your plan. Had an edge in the trade. I mean, more power to you. More power to you, my guy. Trying to get this all okay. Get edge during the trade. What? to join. If you're seeing this, I am live. I don't want to talk about my Colorado Avalanche last night. I will not be discussing hockey today until further notice. Yeah, no discussing hockey until further notice. None. Just not happening. Simply put. Tap. That one hurt real bad. What's up, Christopher? What's up, bro? How long did it take you to become profitable? About a little less than 4 years. But here's the thing about how long it takes to become profitable is you could do it in a year. It might take you 10 years. Each and every person is different. Different style of learners, different markets. There's a lot of different factors that go into quote unquote being profitable. Yeah, no asking me about hockey, bro. Just subscribed. Thank you, dog. You guys know what tonight is, right? Tonight is the free live training from yours truly. To consider yourself profitable, I think you need at least 2 years of consistent year-to-date green to be truly like profitable. Think about it. You could have 3 months of green or 6 months of green, and then what happens on month 7 when you go on tilt? You can give it all back. I've seen it happen more times than you can imagine. Seen it happen a lot. In addition to that, you don't just become profitable and stay profitable. You could become profitable and have 2 green years, and on year 3, you go through a divorce or something. You have a bad year, and you go on tilt and you blow it all up. Not profitable anymore. You try to size up and get greedy. Not profitable anymore. You know? The fake GOAT LeBron. I don't think LeBron's the GOAT, but I do respect LeBron. You know what I learned today? You know who's the number 1 jersey sales athlete in the world since 2024? That I learned yesterday. You know who sold the most jerseys of anybody, of any athlete? The guy you guys all glaze. The guy that everyone in my live streams glazes. Beyond my belief. Beyond my comprehension. It's not SGA. It's not Caitlin Clark's number 2. It's your boy Curry. Your boy top 25 all time. We'll get to give it to him for a top 25 player all time. We'll give it to him for jersey sales. We'll give it to him. He's outdone himself with them sales. He must be doing something right. I'm learning how important volume is when trading, not getting wrecked as much since following Jdun. That's awesome. That's dope. What are we doing today? A whole lot of nothing so far. Top 5, yeah. He's a top 5 grifter for sure. He's a good shooter. We'll give him that. He's one of the best shooters of all time. Probably the best shooter of all time. Just from an accuracy standpoint. He gets that. That's all he gets, though. Tonight is the DOD, Discipline Over Dopamine webinar. I need each and every one of y'all there for the free live training. It's tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Just got back from a very long vacation. First stream I'm attending since you got back. Let's get it. Where's that man Grizzly Glock at? All right, guys. We have a few things on watch today. I'd love to see us. Well, if we're going to get any sort of significant downtrend, we got some pretty important levels to break through. The main one being this 29,000. I think that it's going to be tough for us to get a clean break below this. This has been very strong support. And then even when like on previous days when we blast through this, it's been aggressively. So I think we're going to have some patience in terms of downside for us to finally break that. I guess market open is 9 a.m. now with that volatility spike. Yeah, we'll see. Free live training is tonight, everybody. I'm going to see each and every one of y'all there. If you had plans tonight, make new plans. Your plan is to come to the free live training. Effective immediately. Knicks will be on, but I will be there. Hey, that's valid though. You can have both on. I will take that. But you know what's insane? If you're in New York and you're in your trade night, I bet I have a good feeling of why. Them tickets are no joke in Madison Square Garden. I mean, my goodness. You want to sit row 2, that's going to cost you like 20 bands a piece. A piece. You want some decent, respectable seats? Okay, that's cool. 3-4 grand a piece. A little higher up, 2 grand a piece. Like, what? Wild. Never seen anything like it. That's more expensive than even LA's market. LA's expensive too for games. What's the time I mark up London session? I typically use these days. Use code Jdun on New York Knicks tickets. I wish. Let's say, listen, we got to get everyone the best discount possible. With some game protection, if we lose, everyone gets refunds. I don't think they like that policy very much. But hopefully they don't lose. Why is it being... There we go. I am an Avs fan, and I do live in Colorado. Yep. I just paid $153. Yeah. Use code Jdun on your taxes next year. Use code Jdun to save 80% on your taxes. Oh, wouldn't that just be wonderful? I think that's exactly what we got to implement. Let me just hit up the IRS real quick. Ugh. Guys, we got 25 minutes till open. Good morning, Jdun Team Bill. Good morning, dog. Let's see how those pivots are cooking up. Just talking about this in a group coaching call yesterday. I'm always looking at new tools to build an edge. That's why I added VWAP back to my chart. I mean, I used VWAP for a long time trading individuals and trading SPY and QQQ, but I found it very helpful in the last few months as well in my normal trading. We have that pivot right at Asia low. Let's see if we can catch a heat-seeking missile of a trade today. We've had a good week so far. 4 for 4. Let's see if we can make it 5 for 5. Or 6 for 6. Should have my Nebraska hat on today. That would for sure give us some greatness. Put the Nebraska cap on. the dad hat. Put the dad hat on today. Go Big Red. We're going back to 90s Nebraska, which means we're going absolute dominant mode today. Taking no prisoners. Nice banger yesterday. That was great. Yup. As a reminder, you guys, Tradeify is 40% off. You can use code Jdun for 40% off Tradeify. Lots of good things happening there. They've paid out more than a majority of firms in the entire space. Over 100 million for sure. Just in the last 24 hours, they paid out 1.3 mil. All time, they've paid out 216 million. Tell me that's not crazy. It's all in my head, but... It's pretty baller. That's pretty baller for sure. You can use code Jdun on Tradeify. I appreciate you guys' support always. It's never taken for granted, ever. And I always try to earn your guys' support by giving you winning trades, good education, some smiles here and there, and putting you on the right path. Broadside. How y'all doing this morning? Everyone here ready to trade? Everyone got their mindset locked in? You guys like the hat? Should we try that hat today? Try something new? Jdun, please give me $1,000. You will change my life with just $1,000 for my family, please. That and a daily signal is all that I need to find success with your trading, bro. Come on, my guy. The answer is no. All right. I'll get you a winning trade. Maybe you can make $1,000 there, but no. Yo, Jdun, I took your trade from yesterday. Banger. But how did you know to target New York open lows? I TP'd early, but the idea was there. I mean, that was just a very, how do I put this? Visually, a very transparent level there. Like if you look at yesterday's trade, we got that entry up here, right? So we look at what set of key levels we have. We have pre-market low, which was somewhere in here, like right here. Pre-market low right here. We have 15-minute low, which is right here. And so when you enter here, you could say, all right, well, what levels do I have that I can watch? We have 15-minute low, we have pre-market low, and we have low of day, which was marked before we entered. So you just take note of those, and you can use those as price targets. That's how I like to use key levels when I'm in a trade on the opposite side of them, personally. Here's the deal, folks, is I'm trying to get to the gym a little early today. I have a very busy day, and then I have the free live training where I'll see a lot of you guys tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So our objective today is I want us to go and find ourselves a banger. Oh, y'all crack me up. We are definitely finding a banger today. That's right. Tesla looks strong today. Let's go check out Tesla. It does look strong. Looks very strong. Well, yeah, we got a gap. Could have a nice, good old-fashioned gap and go. Hourly looks good. Where's that in the daily chart? The daily is at like 418. We're sitting currently at 420. Could watch for like a move back down to the gap and go. It's actually a setup that I like. I've traded a lot of gap and goes in my day. Your first trade yesterday was killer, but I'm still trying to figure out how you entered that trade. All volume price analysis. So this is a setup that you can repeat over and over. For any of you guys that missed it, I also recap a majority of my trades on my secondary YouTube channel as well. If you haven't subscribed to that, I would highly recommend going to subscribe. It's on Team Bull Trading. I'll post the link. YouTube. I just posted the trade recap link, but if you didn't see it, if you didn't catch the recap yesterday, I also did one during Power Hour. All that we saw yesterday, very simple setup. Repeatable, effective, simple. We had pre-market high up here on 170. We had our 15-minute high just below that around 150-ish. We saw a push up here. A failure of both of these levels. Both of these levels fail, and both of these levels fail, and we don't hold above. Meanwhile, on this specific 5-minute candle, we have rising volume, as you see here. So as we see this tells us that, hey, price tried to go above both of these key levels. It failed. So now we're going to take our Fibonacci retracement tool and draw from the high to the low of that candle. Well, what does that give us? Our 50% retracement that is also stacked with our 15-minute high and pre-market high here. So when we retest back up into that area, we try the shorts, stops above the highs, target the lows. A very simple yet effective setup that I would take every day, even if it wins half the time. 60% of the time, 40% of the time. Over time, your wins are going to be bigger than your losses if you keep your losses small. Pre-market Professor Jdun, I got you, my boy. Yeah, so that should be good. We got Tesla gapping up. I think that if we get it move back down to 418 area, we could see some support come in. Besides that, not a ton that I love there. I'll likely have ES up on this chart still. Whew. Need Gene to bring my coffee. Oh, whoops, Grizzly, you probably can't unmute. One moment. You will be able to, though. There we go. Now you can.
Good morning, man.
What's up, dog?
What's up?
How you doing, bro?
They're either, so we're both Jdun right now.
One of us is going to be butter churner here soon. And it ain't going to be me.
Alright, running a bit behind, so I'm getting set up here.
All right, I got my QQQ option chain pulled up again. I did good on my Vanquish account yesterday. I did good on my Vanquish funded options account yesterday. Do I think the 2-bar is valid during Asia or London? I think it's valid during any trend. But it all boils down to risk management and how structure looks at the moment. It worked during Power Hour very well yesterday. Extremely well. There it is, the Bittersweet Symphony every day. We start the same playlist every morning, baby. Consistency. Yep, Vanquish is a great prop firm for options. Great owners, great guys. They've never denied a payout either. Every time a Team Bull person or anyone who uses code Jdun gets a payout, they text me. And they text me quite a bit, which is a good thing. I love seeing that. Your own personal capital is better, for sure. But props can be a great tool, especially with options when you're first starting out learning. Because the cool thing about options in the option firm is when you get like a 10K account, you actually get to use 10K worth of buying power. You don't get that with futures. If you guys want to check out Vanquish, you can use code Jdun for 35% off. I recommend just getting started out with their 10K account. It's cheap on the advanced options. What was I gonna do? Oh, don't. Do I expect price action to be good today? I have no clue. I honestly have no clue, fam. I don't know how price is going to be, but I do know that I'm going to trade it with good risk management and with my system. That's what I do know, and that's what I can guarantee. Is I'm going to come in, manage my risk, trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. Don't sweet to be. This is where I want to be. We got 5 minutes left till open, y'all. Game plan's intact. Wait the first 15 minutes. We're making a new low, making a new pre-market low. So we'll have to see where this ends up, and we'll trade what the market gives us when we open. DOD, baby. You know what it is. You know what it is, baby. What was I gonna? Okay. Yes. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here. Coming to trade with me every day. I know that your time is valuable. I know there's a lot of different trading mentors and streams, and you guys chose to be here on the greatest of all of them. I appreciate y'all more than you know. Hopefully I can do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, get paid, and make progress today. That's all we care about. We don't care about perfection. We care about progress today. Surprised Gene's not here yet. We're gonna, an hour in, we're gonna throw some Metallica on. What a great band. What am I trading? Nothing yet, but I got the NASDAQ on. I'm watching the NASDAQ, watching the S&P, and potentially watching some other names too.
Can everyone hear me? We good?
What's up, dog? I can now.
I'm not just going to tell you, I'm watching this Asia low still and this previous day low. We have quite a bit of demand below, so I'm happy with either.
Got a big old demand area down there.
Yeah, there's a ton of hourly demand from the moves we've been making when we're climbing up, you know?
Yeah. That 29,000 area is going to be a tough cookie to crack. It's going to be tough.
Yes. It's been a good week, man.
Has been a good week. We've been killing it. We've been going bananas this week. Yeah, 3 winning days. Hopefully today's number 4. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I'm going to come in, choose DOD, and catch a banger with me. Catch a banger faster than you can see. Have you so excited about your trade that you might have to pee. Sunshine in your eyes like you're getting vitamin D. I'm karate chopping this market like my name is mother effing Bruce Lee. All right, I'm done now. The market's about to open. We're gonna take a chill pill for a second. Market's about to open. Let's get our our focus up, and let's get to the bread today. Let's get to the bread today, everybody. Yeah, wrapping's my second job. Close second. All right, I'm gonna go blow my nose. I'll be right back for market open, baby. You got 2 minutes. All right, y'all, let's get it. We got market opening and not long. In a few moments, the market is opening. Let's get it. 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 All right, everybody. The market is open. I appreciate y'all being here. Good and beautiful and blessed Thursday morning. Appreciate y'all. Let's get it, Grizzly Glock. Appreciate y'all being here. It is a beautiful day to choose DOD, choose discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive dopamine. Let's get it. What do you think, Gridster? You gonna try that a demand bounce around like 120 to 140? Going after it. I'm gonna wait the first 15. Was good, Donald. What's up, everybody? Mr. Gene is not here yet. My first job is a trader. My second job is a rapper. And my third job is for Tradeovate Incorporated for order filled. Stop filled. Order rejected. Got to practice order rejected a little more. The other ones are good, though.
Right, we're pushing down towards my first demand I'm watching people. I'll bounce as soon as I said that. We have EMI at 9:45.
Do we? That's a good question.
Right.
Got the accounts up and ready. What are you going to watch down there for the demand?
I just want to see what we do there. I don't know if we're going to get it, though.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind that. I wish it was a little lower down at like whole sec number 100, personally.
I'm even okay if we invalidate this first zone and just kind of bounce that Asia low level. I'm okay with that.
What a privilege it is to be able to trade today. That is right. It is a privilege, 100%. Very blessed and thankful to be here today with internet and a trading account, ready to crush it with the squad. Hopefully, ideal situation today is that we get a nice, perfect, beautiful trade. And we got the free live training later too. Win-win. Double win. All right, let's get it, y'all. We got, I'm sure NVIDIA is on the move. Big time. Yeah, NVIDIA opened up like 5 points since open. What's my baby MU doing? You guys see that MU trade that I took? Or whatever you want to call it, the investment I made? I bought MU back at $70 a share back like years ago. Forgot about it in one of my old investment accounts. That deal's at like 800 now or 750. Bought 50 shares of it. Yeah, it's at 740. Literally 10x my money. Tell me that's not bananas. 4K into like 40. There we go. Why is my computer being slow? Computer's being slow loading. Huh. There we go. I don't know what was going on there. I just had to redo my whole browser. I was being hecka weird. Super weird. There we go. Yeah, I seen that SpaceX is going to IPO. It's going to be crazy. Reminds me of back in 2021. Anyone remember trading the SPACs? Who remembers trading the SPACs? Like IPOC, lots. I'd like to take a moment, guys. I'd like to take a moment and have a moment of silence, everybody. This is serious for everyone here who lost a massive bag on Wish. Moment of silence for our trading accounts. I'll never get that like 10K back, whatever it was. Anyone else here lose a bag trading Wish? Or was that just me? I think Grizzly did too. You did too, right, Grizzly? That was back. That was all-time highs for FinTwit engagement. Yeah, we're here, baby. I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, make sure y'all tap in. If you're on YouTube, hit that thumbs up button. We got giveaways to give. You guys got to do your part, though, too. I appreciate y'all being here. Hitting that subscribe, hitting that bell icon. And if you're on TikTok, same deal. Tap on over to the U to the tube. You get full screen share.
I mean, we could watch this area here for a possible short, as long as we don't see a massive increase in buy volume.
Got point of control and VWAP up there.
Well, right here, we got this previous day point of control, and I know you don't like the fair value gap, whatever. We have the midline on the fair value gap. Right around that whole, that 29,300 within 20 points. Stop would have to be 361 or 369.
So no, you don't like the fair value gaps or whatever. They're funny.
That's what I found to using this for entries. We tend to respect that midline for some reason. Just as long as you don't have like a huge increase in volume, like when you're trying to take a reject. Is MNQ doing the thing again? I have not looked. On control's got dash strength.
It does keep the dad strength.
It's crazy how well respected it is. I wish I had a strategy based on it alone, but I just haven't come up with the right one yet. Well, that would be the level to build a strategy around.
Yeah, we got PMI in 3 minutes too. We got data. We got data. Appreciate y'all being here. I'm back streaming every single day. So if you guys took a break, well, I'm back, baby. Here to help you with DOD.
Jdun and I had the same name on the Zoom people. We haven't changed. I couldn't change it. I'm not host. You'll have to change it. I'm sure you all get us confused, right? About the now Jdun change it to butter.
I didn't do that. Must have heard you speaking. Zoom AI is getting good. AR he's bullying again. We got 2 more minutes till this 15-minute range is in.
Almost in. Josh said the HR box is the trash can next to your desk.
I got the HR mask. How we deal with the trolls. Oh man. See what we get. See what they give us today, y'all. I'm ready. Data so far good. Yep, our data's in, guys. Our 15-minute range is in. You guys see that in the blue box here, mapped by the indicator I use, Grizzology. We have the 15-minute high up here, 15-minute low. Kenner, will you go over demand zones? Sure. I mostly use price confirmation in demand zones. I don't. It's not super common that I'll just see price moving down, touch demand, and buy on the way down. What I like to see is move down, wick back up, enter when we're going in the direction I want to see it with stops below the low. Sometimes you miss the move doing that, but you also save yourself from heartbreak or account break, you could call it, when you're entering down here, or you're moving down, you enter and it just dies. So that's kind of the trade-off you take. For me, I'd rather miss trades and have higher accuracy and have higher confidence in the trades I do take than catch every trade. I always tell you guys, it's not Pokemon. You don't got to catch them all. It ain't Pokemon, my guy. You don't got to catch them all. And of course, the freaking Thunder won last night. Unreal. Unreal, unreal, unreal. Yep, go Knicks and Spurs. That's where we're at. Go Knicks and go Spurs. That's a fact. All right, we have our midline is right around here. This actually doesn't look like a bad short. We just touched it at 220. I was gonna say 220. I was drawing that as we were touching about like this area in here with stops above this 253, or like it's a little high for 270, but this looks like a decent continuation candle through the midline. It's just a little risky. Watching it. It's not my typical trade. Trying a small piece of shorts, guys. It's a little riskier. I'm not gonna put full size on them. I tried the shorts up there, guys. I did try the shorts. It moved pretty quick, but I'd like to see a low a day out of this. Sorry, it moved so fast. I literally got filled at 218, 218.75. But it moved very fast, so I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. I didn't want it to move that fast. Oh my gosh, almost 20 points so far. I want to see us go to low a day. If you did get filled on that, it was very fast, so sorry in advance. What the heck's happening? What's happening? No! What just, oh, well, trade's over for me. What just happened? What the hell was that? What? What just happened? It was going so well. We were up 30 points. We went from 218 to 188. What happened? Well, I what? Well, trade's over for me, guys. I didn't take anything off there. So started the day 0 for 1. We were up 30 points, but I wanted to see that move to that low day. It looks so good.
It is sweet through.
Sniper entry from 218 down to 188, 30 points, which is a good win. It was at 1-1, but I wanted to see us move down. I wanted the big one.
Good question.
Well, so much for that. I was thinking that was going to be a damn good trade. I was like, all right, got a sniper entry up 30 points. Nope. Right to the stop loss. Well, all right. Well, that sucks. I mean, it's only a starter position, so I'll take it. Just under 500. It's all right. Whenever I put on a less size, I want to see bigger wins too. So whenever I just have a starter or I don't get full size, I don't want to take profit at 1-1 because that doesn't really make any sense. It doesn't make sense for me to if I have full size on, so let's say I'm trading 3 to 5 minis. Well, I'd almost certainly take some off at 20 to 30 points at 1-1. But with less size, it's why would you do that? You're either going to get a 1.5, 2.5 R winner or just get stopped at your planned stop. Looks so good. I was so confident in that. It went up 30 points. It was in profit 30 points. I wanted to see more. I wanted to see a 40, 50 pointer. If we would have gotten my price target at 218 down to low a day, it would have been like a 45, 50 point trade. So it's all right. Literally instant. That's why you keep the hard stops in above the trend setting candle. Even above that high a day, that would have gotten cooked. Even above like 270. Just rocket. It's all right. 0 for 1 technically, but still decent. 30-point move. Just not the follow through that I wanted to see. Good setup though. Wow. That was so lame. I can't believe that. Just face ripper. So now we can actually look at too, if we get a pullback down here, this candle looks very good for continuation to the upside. We have point of control, 15-minute high. Yep.
You're already looking, so.
Yep. You're not going to be able to put a stop below trend setting candle because that's like 100 points and that's just not feasible. But there is a world that we come down and test. Let's see this. Maybe this like 250 to 270 area I like for longs with like a 30, 40 point stop. It actually looks decent. Looks decent for continuation. If we're going to get a trend, I'd like to see us closer to like 250. That setup looks so good. So good. Like textbook, higher volume, 5-minute, below the middle line. Started to get good continuation, went up like 30 points and just done. I want to see 270 down to like 250 in here. The orb is valid right here, guys. If you're trading the orb, technically it's valid here. I don't love our risk parameters here. That's why I wanted to see us go a little lower. This price action looks violent. Looks violent. That first trade was some BS. Was there some news? Oh, not news. Just ripped for no reason. That was lame. I had so much confidence in that. I just said, nope, we'll get to 1-1 and edge you. What do you think, Grizzly? You going to try it? I'm debating it. It looks decent. Haven't tried anything yet. Haven't tried it yet. Let's see what the low to the high here is. I'm going to try a small piece of longs, guys. Tried the longs again. Or not again, but I did try the longs. Tried the longs on there. Tried the longs. Gave him a piece. Gave him a try. Got filled at 61. Well, basically 62. 61.75. I tried the longs on there, guys. I'd like to see us continue up. We got that retest into here. I want to see us move to high a day now. About 20 points so far. Anything below 30 points, no taking anything off for me. So I need at least 90 plus, like 91 plus. Ideally, we get high a day. I have a hard, I'm going to put a hard stop in at 31. Put it down at 30. If we get a strong close in this candle, you can put the stop below this candle here. I want to see a move above 95 to trim, guys. Ideally high a day. Come on. All right, guys, taking some off here. Taking some off here, just below 300, guys. I'm taking some off my position here. I'm going to move my stops up now to below this trend-setting candle, so below 41. You can move it to break even. I'd like to see high a day out of this and more, but just in case. Come on, push us up. Come on, baby, push us up. Come on, baby, push us up. Give us a yeehaw. Give us a yeehaw, baby. Come on. Give us high a day. Come on, baby. Come on. Boom. There we go. Almost there. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys' stop losses are moved up, either to 42 or up to break even now. Let's go. 50 plus points. High a day, baby. Let's go. Sheesh. That first trade thought that they had us. Yeah, right. I'm going to move my stops up to break even. I'm going to trail my take profit to 280. Everybody, so stops or take profit, whatever. I'm going to trail it to 280. So everything's a profit now, guys. Let's go. 60 points. Yes. Woo. Let's go, baby. Guess what, Gene the Bean? Red to green. Gene the Bean. I could not have been more clear on that, guys. Said it 100 times. 100 times. We'll take it. Maybe it was a good thing that first trade moved too fast. Let's go. Let's watch. Let's keep this pushing up. Oh, my gosh. 70 points. Come on, baby. Come on. Push it. Push it, push it, push it, push it. We want mega trade out of this. Get us to the 60s. Small losses and big wins, baby. No re-entry points. Not right now. Not right now. Let's go, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. You already know when we hit big trades, that comes with us also giving away accounts. If you guys post your gains in the post your gains section, tag me in there. We're gonna be doing a giveaway today. You already know. And we got the free live training tonight. Come on now. Come on. I want to see higher on this, guys. I want to see up to 60s. Stops trailed up. Let's keep it moving, guys. Perfect. It just beautiful textbook setup. You love to see that. All the stars aligned. We stayed patient not to have too much drawdown. Just beautiful. If you guys want to potentially win a Lucid or a Tradeify account, make sure you guys post your gains. Post your gains in the post your gains section. See, I'll post your gains in the post your gains section, everybody. Even if it's small, even if it's only $10. Come on, push it up more. Give us mega trade. Grizzly, you take that trade? I know you were watching it. Tag me in the post your gains section. You can get entered into the giveaway, y'all. After this trade. If you're in the middle of the trade managing right now, wait. Remember, we don't post screenshots of open positions. We know how that goes. Take it back. Let's go. Cooked. Just freaking cooking. What a beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. I want to see more of this. I think that if we can maintain some strength above like 300, this is the line in the sand area. We can see a nice move. We can see a really nice move up. Yeah, pay done. The coffee comes in, we start cooking. Told you I wanted to get us paid quick. So now I'll be live for a bit longer, but I'm going to leave. I'm not going to stay my full time today. Grandma and I going to hit the gym. We're going to hit the gym. All right, guys, trade's over for me. Trade's over for me. If you want to have more risk on, you can keep stops at break even. I trailed mine up. Trade's over for me. Trade's over for your boy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. We'll take it from red to green. All right, chat. We need some positive vibes. Grandma wants to see positive vibes coming in. She wants to see you guys explode. If you guys took trade with me, you guys made yourself even a base hit today. All we're asking for is a base hit. Type it out in the chat. How y'all cooking today? Get some hype going for the free live training tonight, baby. Come on. Thank you, Paydown. Getting my first payout ever. Let's go. How much y'all make with me? Come on. How much y'all make on that? Getting my first payout ever. Thank you, DOD. 1.5, 417, 319, 220, 300. Oh my gosh, 1300, 656. Small losses, big wins. $19, $79, 225, 60 times 2. That's great. 33. 220, going once, one dice, 1.5K, 135, 100, 110, 250, 128, 487, 230, 50, 45, 220, 56, 900. Let's go! Woo! Like that, Gene? Red to green. Red to the green. Now we got to give away some accounts too at the end of the stream. YouTube, man, we got over 1,000 people here. And yet we have 300 likes. Get those thumbs up, baby. Come on, I want to give y'all some money. I want to give y'all accounts away, but we got to scratch each other's backs. We got to scratch each other's backs. So you hit that thumbs up button. We need 200 more. TikTok, come give these people some support. If you're in TikTok, come on over to YouTube. Hit that thumbs up button, baby. And if you want to enter the giveaway in Team Bowl, go post your gains. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, post your gains and tag me in the post your gains section. Must see. All right, everybody, let's go. If you guys got value from that, then you're gonna love the free live training tonight. So if I helped you make money, all I ask from you is that you return the favor and register for the free live training. I do my best for y'all every single day. 7 p.m. Eastern time. Register, come show some love. Come tell them what Team Bowl and what DOD has done for you. Yep, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Oh, whoops. I was on my Team Bowl account. Whoops. I got to get my Jdun trades. That's the other YouTube. Go subscribe to the other YouTube, though, the one in chat. Not sure if it's coming through or not. I did come back from vacation on a heater. I'm done playing around. I'm done with it. Turks is expensive, dog. I got to make myself some money. Y'all thought I was going to come back from vacation and be rusty. Dog, do you know how expensive Turks and Caicos is? I said I got to come back and make some money. They say money doesn't buy happiness. Well, they clearly didn't say that from Turks, because that place makes you very happy and it takes a lot of money to go. It is not cheap. Whoever said money doesn't buy happiness was not riding jet skis in Turks and Caicos. I'll tell you that much. You came back an unk and turned into a goat. It's that experience, man. It's that experience. Whoever said money doesn't buy happiness has never had a trip to Japan, right? That's what I'd be saying. I'm like, money itself, like if you have 10 million in the bank and you are out of shape and unhealthy and mean and pessimistic, then yeah, it's not, money's not going to make you happy. But if you're a good person and if you use the money to take care of people you love and to go experience things with people you love and to help people, that's pretty fun. Like that buys experience. And in turn, money does buy happiness. You know, it's very hard to be happy if you're constantly struggling with how are you going to pay your rent? How are you going to buy food? That's just facts. So in a lot of ways, money does buy happiness. At least that's what I think. That's my personal opinion on the matter. You know, if you want to learn how to get your money up trading, join the free. I gotta update that. The 1 for 2. The 1 for 2. I don't know if we're hunting those. I stayed at Grace Bay Club. Yep, I stayed at Grace Bay Club. Super fire. I'm not sure if I'm looking for. I'm going to be on for about 15 more minutes. After that, I'm going to mob off. They never pay for a vacay and then made the money back while on vacay trading with Jdun and Grizzly. That's why they say money doesn't buy happiness. Amen. Yup. If you guys want to get entered into the giveaway, I'm doing a nice giveaway today. Post your gains in the Post Your Gains tab and tag me. How was your night last night, Gene? Oh, man. Post Your Gains tab is in the Discord. In the free side of the Discord. Anyone can post there. There's a paid side, a private side, and there's also a free side. I post the link one time. It's the only time you're getting it on YouTube. One time. As a reminder, guys, make sure you're all signed up for the free live training tonight. I'm going all in on my strategy and exactly how I trade. I promise you, you're going to get value from it. I really thought we were going to pre-market high there. I really thought we had pre-market high coming in there. Jabba. Yep, one good trade in the day. 2 bar to the downside? No, not 2 bar. Why is this not 2 bar? What does any 2-bar setup need? Any 2-bar setup needs a clear trend. It's the only time it works. It does not work any other time. Unless there's a clear trend. That's when it's used for. Is when you're on a clear trend. The reason, what I noticed about the 2-bar and how it kind of came to be a thing was that we'd have these massive trend up and down days that weren't getting full 50% retracements. So it's like, all right, well, let's find a spot where I can higher my probability of winning and catch this trend even without getting a full retracement. That's how it came to be. It's simple. It's effective. Man, Taylor, it's such a fire day. Woo! I believe that first trade did me so dirty. I like the second one more, but I was hoping we'd get a full continuation up and then ideally go to like pre-market high. Oh man. Hey Grizzly, you here, bro? I just be laughing at my phone, bro. So you texting the homies. Maybe trying to make me laugh during my streams. Oh, look at that new low a day. Now this could be setting up potentially for a solid trend re-entry. It's not quite a 2-bar yet because the trend is, we're still technically, we're breaking out of this range, but we're in this range at this point. However, what could be an okay setup is a move back up to this like midline area, 220s area, stops above like, it's kind of high, 277. You have like 50 points of risk. And if you won earlier, no reason to take more trades.
Hey, Jdun, I'm sorry, man. I've been focused in. I was trying to catch an entry. I was about to.
You take that trade earlier?
Which trade?
The longs?
Yeah, I took it. I knew you was going to take the same trade. Did you catch it?
Oh, yeah.
I thought you would. That's why I didn't want to interrupt you. We were looking at the exact same thing. I got full-size entry, man.
Yep, I did good in that too. That first trade annoyed me.
That's the worst ones. Don't you hate that?
Dude, I was all excited. I'm like, we got a good entry. 30 points up. Boom! Stop loss.
It's like a stab. Whenever you get into a trade and it rips up your stop, that didn't work.
And it just didn't stop out. It stopped out immediately after. I'm like, guys, 30 points up. Wait, never mind. Stopped out. Like, what?
Come on, let's tap this demand. Erase that previous high volume leg candle. I can't short this either, even though we had that candle. We got too much demand below. Do we have any more big earnings this week? The videos was yesterday after close.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Look out. Both of them worked out. I was talking about it earlier, didn't I? The order worked out right, and that wheat right there was like incredible. Like both of these trades were legit.
Yep. If you guys, I just posted the link like 5 times in YouTube, but if you guys need help getting into the free live training tonight, word on the street is that I might be picking a giveaway winner from Instagram too that messages me and signs up. Wink, wink. You can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on Instagram. DM me live training and I'll send you the link. Right now on IG while we're waiting. Got a few more minutes that I'm going to be on. Yeah, there's a Jdun Trades and a Jdun account. Jdun is my personal account. Don't DM that one. Well, you can follow it, but I just post like my personal stuff, the food I eat, the water I drink, my dogs.
I don't want to interrupt Jada when he's taking trades.
I'm not taking any trades. I'm not taking anything else.
I missed a message in the chat. I can't find it now.
I'm done taking trades more than likely. Yeah, listen, you want to see the water I drink, the food I take, the dumps he takes? Sure. Let's scroll back. How about you actually call out your... All right. It's time. It's been a while.
What was the delta on this candle?
How about you actually call out your trades for once?
Negative 960 on that previous candle.
How about you call out your trades and do us all a favor and be transparent about when you're entering? I missed the daily signal.
For long entries here.
Jdun, I'm so sick.
What else am I supposed to do, dog? Do I need to get a megaphone? Excuse me, chat. I am in longs. It's time for you all to take your mouse and click buy on the longs. What? I will never understand, ever. I need the daily bias, Jdun. Please give me the daily bias, man. Yeah, I don't know. I'll never understand it. This is an interesting spot. We're in this demand, but we also got a higher volume close below pre-market low and 15-minute low, but also this candle was half wick up, but we're rejecting orb low right now. So,
Both ways.
Yeah, I know. It's like, it's tough to say. Do you got anything you're watching?
Yeah, I'm going to look for a bounce. We got 2 zones close here. We're going to bounce. It's going to be between here and the 29,000. That's what I'm watching. Also, even if this happens to not confirm it, this zone, if we flush below the Asia low, reclaim it with higher volume. I will look for long entry that route as well. You get any more tattoos, Jdun? I was going to ask you that earlier. You done getting tattoos?
I just haven't had that itch, man.
I know.
I went crazy on it, and then I don't know, just haven't.
About 15-minute range compared to most. What a week. I'm trading tomorrow for sure, but I'm gonna go half size after the crazy week we've had.
Ugh. Mr. Gene? Bro has headphones in constantly.
Or to make a joke, but I'm not going to. Leave Gene alone. Side-eye me?
What do you say?
Did he side-eye me when I said that, or did he kill me?
What do you say?
I said I had a joke. I was gonna mess with Gene, but I'm just gonna leave him alone today.
He's used to it. They're mean to him on the live stream. He had he had enough of streaming New York doing it a week for me. He said, "I'm done with this shit." Want to come back on?
So bad anymore. If someone just says anything I don't like, I just instantly ban. Can be dumb. I just don't tolerate any nonsense.
I got one thing I do. I just bring out the clown mask. Damn, look at that bounce. That bro, those demand zones on Grisology have been hitting. And the supplies.
Good. It was confirmed a little higher volume than we would have.
It's a very slept on part of the indicator.
Oh yeah. Demand has the most requirements for confirmation out of all of my strategies.
Yeah. Tell you, I'm a pure price action and volume trader, but using Grisology, not even glazing, sure my friend, but has really genuinely helped my trading. Just having everything marked out, having it look clean, supply and demand zones, having point of control on the chart. It's been good.
Definitely knocks out some pre-market prep time.
Yeah.
Saves you some.
It's a great indicator. Yo, John. John. Yo, John. John the Bean. Gene.
What?
I said to call you John. I don't know. Hey, Eugene.
No.
Eugene is his name. Eugene Trades. Youjean. Eugene. That's his new name. Oh. All right. Here's the deal, guys. You guys killed it on the YouTube today. Actually, no, you didn't. You got to get to 500 likes. 500 likes, and I give you all an account. You're at 383. Your TikTok, we have 400 plus people. Need 100 of y'all to come over and hit that thumbs up button on the YouTube and come subscribe while you're at it. You get full screen share on YouTube. Hit that thumbs up button. I gave y'all a fire winning trade today. Lots of good value. I do my best for y'all every day. 100 more likes. I'm going to go ahead and pick the winners from Team Bull. And if I don't see anything, if I don't see those likes improve by the time I'm back, no giveaway.
So we got a 3-day weekend.
That's right. Yeah, no market Monday.
Guess I'll be forced to go fishing. As I hate to.
Bro, that grouper I caught in Turks we went deep sea fishing, caught the grouper, it's called bottom fishing in the process, and took it back to the resort and they cooked it for us right there. So good.
That's awesome.
Dude.
I love that kind of stuff, man. That's my kind of vacation.
Yeah, dude, it was so good, bro. It's one of the best fish I've ever had in my life.
I live like that, man, every day.
Yeah, they had grilled grouper and fried grouper. I can't have the fried because I don't do gluten. But the grilled was great. I'm sure the fried was great too. My sister was loving it. Grandma was loving it.
The property I own out in the country, it connects to like a creek. You can just fish right off of it. Pretty cool. You know what's crazy about the property I bought, Jdun? We used to swim in there when I was a kid.
Really?
Yeah, I used to take my dog with me. He swam with me.
Damn, that's awesome.
Yeah. All of us boys would go there. We'd swim all day. We got the chance.
Those are some good memories, huh?
What do you catch in the creek? They got like smallmouth bass, catfish, red-eye bass.
Caught some grouper in Florida after Christmas. Cooked it next day. So good. So fire, bro.
I guess people just fish like lakes in Colorado, right?
Yep, just lakes and reservoirs. What do you say, Gene? Rivers. Yep. All right. In the meantime, while we're waiting, if you guys want to be entered in the Team Bowl giveaway, you can post your gains in the Post Your Gains tab. YouTube's not getting the giveaway until we get 75 more likes. Got to get to 500 thumbs up.
One more good trade. Trying my best to push for a 5-figure week.
All you got to do is hit that thumbs up button, baby.
Nice too. I guess we could use it, you know?
I also appreciate you using code Jdun on your prop firms. I do my best to help you guys take good trades, develop a good system, and win and learn.
Johnny, I just seen what you posted in chat. Or if my chat wasn't updated.
Got a new Lucid with code Jdun. Thanks. Appreciate you, bro. 50% off Lucid, 2 accounts per trader. Apex is 90% off. You can use code Jdun. I like the 50K Trade of 8 end of day drawdown account. If you're going to trade with Apex, use the 50K trade of it end of day. I'm gonna grab this. Oh, Mr. Gene. What up? Oh. What? Yeah. Back hurts from carrying all this weight of the team. Don't know. Who's all coming to the free live training tonight? Who can I count on to see there? Who all set aside their plans tonight to join me to level up their life and level up their trading? Who can I all plan on seeing there? Donald's coming. Andre's coming. Artif's coming. 2J's coming. Santana is going to come at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Yup. Wife and you. Double whammy. Can't wait to give you guys both value. Nick's on one TV, Jdun on the laptop. Valid. Fair. Very valid. Very fair. Make sure you register so you can get the recording if you work. Jdun, should I skip my graduation tonight for it? No. You can only graduate once. You can come to the next free live training. I'll help you graduate stock school later on. You focus on your school you're in right now. I'll get you a graduate in DOD later. Should I cancel my marriage to be there? Yeah, bro. Sorry. Tell the wife we apologize. There's money to be made. Tell her that you're going to go to the free live training. You're going to learn the strategy, learn the mindset. Then you're going to book double the size wedding venue, and she's getting a fat rock to show for it. I think she'll understand. Genius. Listen, honey, I know we've had this wedding planned for a year, but trust me, you're going to have a freaking boulder on your finger after I go to this free live training tonight. We're eating surf and turf at the wedding for all the guests, and you're getting a boulder. You'll be able to climb this baby. It'll be so big. $25K Pro is cheap right now. Only $67 with code Jdun for a 25K Pro account with Lucid. 25K Flex. Some people like the Flex too. The Flex has been pretty popular because there's no consistency on funded. It's only $50 right now. That's what we'll give away today. We'll give away a few Lucid Lucid 25K Flex accounts. I got an FFF account using code Jdun. Thanks. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, FFF's been killing it. 18 million plus in payouts. YouTube fam, you're so close to getting a giveaway. Only 52 more likes. Only 52 more likes. Come on, hit that thumbs up button, baby. Give you guys solid trading day. Do my best to help you guys every day. Hosting a free live training for y'all tonight. Come on. The options prop firm is Vanquish. You can use code Jdun for 35% off. There's the link if you want to check it out. See anything else you like? Whoops. See anything else you like, Grizzly Glock?
I'm not seeing anything right now, Jdun. You see anything? Michael.
Dun, dun. Hey, Jdun, thanks for everything, man. The stream has given my life so much routine and objectives. That's amazing. That means a lot, bro.
You hear me, Jdun?
Yeah.
You watch anything?
Oh, no, I'm done trading for the day. For sure. Loves Nazdakita.
You just gonna hang out for a bit?
Yep. What are you doing? See anything you like?
I'm trying to be patient. Wait on one more trade. We'll see. The man demanded without me. I didn't get an entry.
Gonna find a wife to be with you. Take me to your place of. why you held me up when I'm down.
What's Gene over there doing?
What?
What's Gene doing?
He's just chilling.
Oh yeah. If I move to Colorado, Jdun, you make me one of them bowls every morning. Can you make yours? Look good.
You want Jdun bowl?
Jdun bowl. Talking about food here. Food.
So, those birds are tripping out outside. Dun, dun, dun.
Well, thank you.
How's the Outlaw Challenge? We're gonna see. I don't even know when I start training someone. Oh, let's see. As a reminder, guys, you can enter the giveaway. I'm giving away a few Lucid 25K select or 25K flex accounts. I pick some winners to get some monies in the poster gains. All you gotta do is post your gains. Hit that tag. Gene, you want to come say hi quick? I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Be nice to Gene. Be nice to Gene the Bean. That is some bean.
Hello? Oh man. Yeah, I wear them inside all the time. Mm-hmm. Kind of just chop it now. Mm-hmm. We're just chopping up. Yeah, I'm gonna do Asia tonight. I've been busy these last couple days. That's why I haven't been on. Mm-hmm. What are we listening to? It's literally a song about smoking.
Thank you. Look how engaged you are with the chat. Sunglasses on. Will you go mix that meat around?
Yes.
You gonna take care of my meat for me? Will you handle my meat? Please and thanks. All right, was good, was good, was good, was good. All right. Let's pick some winners from Team Bowl. I'm going to pick 2 of y'all right now. No, we're going to pick 3. Because the first one's going to go to Caitlin, who says, at Jdun, I really appreciate the DoD mindset. It's genuinely shifted how I move. I'll be in the live tonight, the free live training. And she got a $2,000 payout from Lucid. I love when y'all post your payouts. Automatic dub. Winner. Send Venmo $2. Winner. Helps you towards another account with code Jdun. Look at that. Winner chicken dinner. Congrats on the $2,000 payout. All right. Let's see here. Let's pick 2 more. We got DTV2. Thank you, Jdun, for all you do. I will be in the free live training tonight following DOD. Yep, that's a winner. Congratulations. And then finally, one more. Let's pick a rando. And we blew up the poster gains today. Let's see. Then we got Chetty. Jdun, thanks for all that you are doing. I'll be there tonight. Congratulations. Everyone's coming tonight. We got the whole squad coming tonight. I better see each and every one of y'all there tonight. 7 p.m. Eastern time for the free live training. Winners are just picked from the... Let's go. That picture is insane. How do you register? If you can't be there live, which I'd recommend you do, but if you absolutely can't, at least get your name on the list. So you can get the recording after if we send it out. Yep, it's tonight. Literally, all you got to do is register. I better see each and every one of y'all there. You guys know that I know your time is valuable. We're not here to waste it. I promise you, your time will be well spent tonight. But all right, Team Bull. All right, YouTube. Here's the deal. Confirm marriage canceled if you're there. If you guys want, you guys basically got to 500 likes. You're close enough. There you go. Just got here. Here's what I'm going to do for y'all. We even want to see the haters win. If you guys want to be a part, I'm gonna give away. We'll do $50 to 2 people. We'll do 2 of y'all can go get a Lucid 25K select account with code Jdun. No consistency unfunded. All you got to do is DM me on Instagram right now. Live training. I'm going to send you the link to the free live training. And in addition to that, I'm going to pick 2 of y'all to win some money. So regardless, you're getting value. You're getting training that other people would charge you thousands for. Which, might I add, a lot of them don't teach very well on the lives. I give it to you for free, give you a ton of free game there. All you got to do is DM me on Instagram, Jdun Trades. That's how you're going to win the giveaway. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Jdun Trades on Instagram is where you're going to DM right now. I will also be sending you the link to the free live training tonight.
I've had enough this morning.
Yep.
Same trade Jdun did.
Nice job, bro.
Previous day low areas, the only bounce I'm still watching today. I will give it a go to get down there and confirm. 29,000 to like 29,067 area. That was on.
Solid trade.
Yeah. Hopefully we can end the week strong tomorrow. You know?
Yes, sir. I'll see you tomorrow, bro.
See you, man.
Adios, Team Bull. I'll see you guys all tonight at the free live training, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Announcements tab to register. All right, y'all. Let's pick 2 winners. We got the first $50 winner. I'll be responding with the link to all of you regardless. First $50 winner is going to be... Let's pick someone random. Boom. Let's make sure they're following. Oh, nope, they're not following. Damn. Got to be following to win. Someone just won, but they weren't following. Got to be following on Instagram to win. Someone just won. That's a damn shame. If you're not following, it might have been you. Let's see here. All right. Potential winner here. All right, we got Greg Ing, winner 1. Send Venmo, $50 winner. With hopes you use code JDUN for an account with it. Winner 1. And winner 2 is going to be done. Dun, 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 dun. Winner 2 was going to be... Let's see here. You can DM me on Instagram. Wait. Okay, there we go. Let's update it. Boom! Brittany Hardy. Winner 2. Congratulations. $50 winner. Send Venmo. Congratulations, y'all. All right. Both winners given away. DM back on Instagram. As always, or as I said before, go get yourself registered for the free live training. I'll see you guys tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. 7 p.m. Eastern Time. I better see each and every one of y'all there. If you need the link, you can DM me on Instagram for it at Jdun Trades. I will see each and every one of y'all later today. God bless. See you guys tonight. DOD. Peace.